Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video you will find out how you can easily create a help center site with GitBook. If you're looking to create your first site with the help of GitBook, here's how you can do it, so smash that subscribe button and let's get into this tutorial. First of all, go over to your browser and search up for gitbook.com. You'll be directed to this website where you'll need to sign in or sign up with an account, so go ahead and click on Start for free. Here you can sign up with your email, or you can continue with GitHub or your Google account. Once signed in, it'll ask you a few questions about your organization's name, and then you'll be directed to the main site. This is where you'll be able to create your own site, edit it, customize and publish it. To create something new, go ahead into the top right corner and click on New. You'd be able to create new space, collection, docs site or import content. Click on Docs Sites from the left menu and here you'll see all of your sites that you have or will make in the future. To create a new one, click on Create a New Site and add in the name of your site. Now you'll need to select the data for your site. You can choose a docs template, sync it to GitHub, use OpenAI or import your content. In this case I'm gonna go ahead with the docs template. Now as you can see, this is where you can edit all the factors of your site like customizing the look and feel, add in custom domain. Just click on custom domain and you'll be directed to the site settings. Here you can set up the custom domain or set up a subdirectory too, same goes for the customization tabs. Tweak through all the settings and once you find it perfect, you can go over to the preview tab and publish the site by clicking here. That is how easily you can build a landing page or a website by using GitBook. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more quick and easy tutorials like these.